If you're thinking that, even with the AI trend, it still takes years to monetize a YouTube channel, then you're wrong, because most of these channels get monetized in just the last 30 to 60 days and earn up to $20,000 per month. So, in today's time, if you know how to use AI the right way, you can also grow your YouTube channel within just 30 days. First of all, look at this channel. This channel has gained 65,000 subscribers with only 64 videos, and its oldest video was uploaded just 1 month ago. Its most popular video, which was uploaded only 4 weeks ago, has already reached 3 million views and is still getting 3K views per hour. This channel was created on June 24th, and according to VidIQ, it's earning around $17,000 per month. If you watch this channel's videos, you'll notice that on the right side, there are simple AI-generated images, and on the left side, there's an AI avatar speaking. So in this video, we're going to create videos exactly like this channel. First of all, click the link in the description and open this Google Doc. Here you'll find all the prompts we'll use to create these videos, and we'll automate the entire process using them. The first thing we need is a video topic. Simply copy the video topic prompt, open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and run it. ChatGPT will give you the top 30 video ideas across different categories like aliens, planets, black holes, and more. The best part is that these are all video topics your competitor hasn't covered yet. That means you won't face future monetization issues, and you'll build a unique and new audience for your channel. For now, I'm going to select the black holes topic. After selecting the topic, the next step is generating the video script. Again, go to the Google Doc, copy the video script prompt, open Claude, and paste the prompt. You only need to make 2 changes in this prompt. First, enter your video topic. Second, choose the video length. For this type of video, always select a 20 to 25 minute script. After selecting the script length, simply run the prompt. As you can see, Claude has started writing our script. While Claude is writing the script, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video because we need to reach 10,000 subscribers before September 1st. So subscribe right now. And just like that, Claude has finished writing the script. As you can see, Claude has written a complete script. First of all, let's check the script length. Go to the word count website and paste the script there. As you can see, it shows that the script has more than 3,000 words. Now go back to Claude. If I read just a few lines from the script, somewhere in the universe, there is a hole in reality so massive that light itself cannot climb out of it. That's a powerful hook, and you can already see the potential of the entire script. Now the next step is generating the images. Go back to the Google Doc, copy the visual prompt, open ChatGPT in a new chat, paste the prompt, and run it. ChatGPT will ask you for your script. Go to Claude, copy the first part of the script, paste it into ChatGPT, and run it. ChatGPT will start writing image prompts. As you can see, it first writes the script line and then the corresponding image prompt, making the editing process much easier. Now the next step is generating the images. For this, we'll use Google Flow. Simply open Google Flow, click New Project, go to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, and paste it into Google Flow. Before running the prompt, check these settings. Choose Image, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and select the Nano Pro model. Now run the prompt. Within seconds, Google Flow will generate your image. As you can see, our image is ready and looks professional. Now, if you generate the second image manually, it will take a lot of time because you're watching this video, and we want to automate the entire process. So simply search for the ZepFlow extension in your browser, click the first website, then click Get and add the extension. Within seconds, the extension will be installed in your browser. This extension works only inside Google Flow. Now go back to ChatGPT and type, "Give me only the image prompts with 1-line gaps." ChatGPT will give you all the image prompts with 1 blank line between each one. Copy all the image prompts, open Google Flow, launch ZepFlow, and paste all the prompts there. You'll see 2 options here. Always keep both enabled so that all the generated images are automatically downloaded to your browser. Now simply click Start Generation. Your images will start generating automatically. Grab a coffee and watch the images being created and downloaded automatically. Within minutes, the entire image generation process will be completed. Now the next step is generating the character. Again, go to the Google Doc, copy the character prompt, open a new project in Google Flow, paste the prompt, and run it. As you can see, our avatar has been created. Now we need to animate it. For that, we'll use Heygen. Simply open Heygen. Heygen can generate up to 30 minutes of video with just one click, making it one of the fastest tools for creating AI avatar videos. Instead of recording yourself on camera every time, you can let the avatar present your entire script professionally. Click Avatar, and you'll see two options. The first option is clone a real human. If you want to create your own clone, select that option. But since we're creating a virtual avatar, choose the second option. Upload your avatar image, give it a name, and then choose a voice. Heygen provides support for over 120 languages, so you can choose any voice you like. Whether you're creating content in English, Spanish, or any other language, you'll find plenty of high-quality voice options. Just choose the one that best matches your video's style. Once you've selected the voice, your avatar is ready. Now click the button in the top right corner and choose Build Scene by Scene. A new interface will open. On the right side, you'll see the option to paste your script. Go back to Claude, copy the entire script, and paste it into Heygen. As you can see, our script is around 20 minutes long, and Heygen automatically divides it into multiple scenes. On the left side, you'll see the voice options. If you want to make changes to the voice, click Improve Voice. Type what changes you want, and Heygen will generate 3 more voice options based on your instructions. Listen to each one carefully and choose the version that sounds the most natural for your audience. But my voice is already fine, so I won't make any changes. Now select Avatar 3 and click Generate. Within seconds, Heygen will generate your video. Depending on your script length, it may take a few moments to finish rendering, but once it's done, you'll have a fully animated avatar video that's ready for editing. If I play it,
somewhere in the universe, there is a hole in reality so massive that light itself cannot climb.
You can see how professional the lip sync and movements are. The facial expressions, mouth movements, and overall animation look very realistic, making the final video much more engaging for viewers. Now our avatar is ready. The next step is editing. For this, open your editing software. We'll use CapCut. Import all the images and the avatar video. First, add the avatar video and place it on the left side. Then add the first image and place it on the right side. Adjust the image properly so both the avatar and the visuals fit nicely on the screen. This layout is exactly what you saw on the proof channel, and it gives the video a clean and professional appearance. Now, moving every image to the right side one by one can be frustrating, especially if your script contains dozens of visuals. So, double-click the first image you've already adjusted and copy its attributes. Then select the other images, double-click them, and choose Paste Attributes. This will make the process much easier because every image will instantly have the same size and position, saving you a lot of editing time. For now, I've only generated the images for the first part of the script, so I'll adjust them. The next step is adding captions. CapCut provides free captions. Generate your captions. After generating them, change the caption color to dark yellow and use the Rubik font. These small styling changes make your captions easier to read and give your videos a more professional look. Once that's done, your video is ready. Simply export it. So, this is the complete process to create videos just like this proof channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment your country name below and help me complete this challenge.